Getting cards makes us happy. Creating colorful creations bring those good vibes too, but how to make them easily in different ways? Let's dive into it. When I create rainbow backgrounds, my very first thing is to prep my mediums in spectrum order. This way I can work faster during the creating process and I don't need to worry about which color to pick for the next step. The stamp layering is another cool option for making rainbow cards. Just stamp lots of colorful images with various colors like me, and when your images are done, you have multiple opportunities to use them. You can organize them to the center of your card, you can create a frame around the base, following the spectrum order, or any other styling option. The result will be always magical. With a single solid stamp, you can create your own rainbow pattern too. There is no styling, no overthinking, just stamp where you think with your picked colors, and don't forget to overlap each image. You can add special effects on any creation with some pencil work, even on ink blending. Just follow the blended base as a guide. If you want, you can play with a color shift as well. In this case, add the next neighbor color here and there, and don't forget to use your white pencil for highlights. I just love to create in rainbow, like many others, and I hope you got a taste too. This video is a part of a video hop by Crafty Meraki. It's a small shop with a very sweet owner, and in this hop we are celebrating their first birthday with a generous giveaway. For more details and the next stop, please visit the video description.